In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bank account in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have your bank securely connected so transactions flow into your books automatically, saving you time on manual imports and reducing errors. Start by opening Zoho Books and look to the left pane. Click Banking. This is the hub where your accounts appear and where bank feeds bring in balances and transactions. If you're new to this area, think of it as the command center for reconciling and monitoring cash flow. Next, head to the top right and click Add Bank or Credit Card. This begins the secure bank feed setup. Don't worry, this connection is designed for read-only access to import data. It doesn't move money. The same flow works for both bank accounts and credit cards. You'll now see an option to connect now. Click that to continue. This opens the connection window where Zoho Books integrates with bank feed providers to retrieve your data safely. At the top of the window, select the bank feed service provider. Zoho may show more than one provider. They all serve the same purpose, but availability and coverage can vary by country and institution. If you're unsure, start with the provider suggested by Zoho or the one most common in your region. Use the search box to find your bank. Type the official name and select the exact match for your region. If your bank isn't listed under the current provider, switch to the other provider at the top and try your search again. Different providers support different banks, so it's normal to check both. When you see your bank, continue with the connection process. This typically involves signing in with your online banking credentials within the secure provider window. You may be asked to complete multi-factor authentication and grant permission for Zoho Books to access account balances and transactions. Follow the prompts carefully. Depending on your bank, you might also be asked to choose which specific accounts to connect, such as checking or credit card accounts, within that same login. Once authentication succeeds, you'll get a confirmation, and the first sync will begin. Back in the banking section, you'll see your linked account appear, and recent transactions will start to populate. Some banks provide several months of history, while others deliver a shorter window. That's normal and controlled by the bank. If anything doesn't connect on the first try, double-check your online banking access or switch providers and search again. That's all. You've linked your bank account in Zoho Books, and your transactions will now import automatically, keeping your books up to date with far less effort.